total start over of the senior Reggae Boyz football program is imminent after news emerged that the JFF is looking past Paul Hall and towards a European coach with the experience of qualifying a team for the World Cup. So theoretically, that means a clean slate, no bias, no favoritism in team selection. But on the other hand, we assume the coach's mandate will be to qualify the team for the World Cup. Countries don't hire big foreign coaches to oversee long-term development. A new coach, not knowing the players, the history, or the culture of Jamaican football, will have to quickly learn the nuances and hit the ground running. And next thing, will the new coach bring his own staff, or will there be some kind of mandatory local component to his coaching staff? And we hope the JFF hurry up and make this decision official and get the process started. And don't make it drag out and drag out and drag out, so that this big European coach can start the ball rolling. So JFF, get going, get the coach here. Mr. Ricketts, get the coach here, get going, let's go.